Weekly stimulus, guys, for the week of December 4th through the 10th. Monday, you have 2 4-round for time workouts. First one is a couplet. Next one's a triplet. We did something similar last week with 5 rounds for time. We did make a few changes. All right. Workout 1 has a 12-minute cap. It is 21 wall ball and 21 toe to bar. That's 4 rounds. So you have 3 minutes to do a round. It's totally doable. The wall ball can be done in a minute, and that gives you 2 minutes, which is more than enough to do the toe to bar, okay, or knees to chest, which is 25. After that workout, you'll take a 5-minute rest. You'll do another 4-round for time workout, 450 row, 400 for the girls, 10 deadlift, which needs to be a weight that once you pick up, you do all 10 in a row every single round, and then 40 double unders, or you do 75 singles. 75 singles, okay? All right, so you have a 15-minute cap on the second workout and a 5-minute break in between and a 12-minute cap. That's 32 total minutes that you have time to do the workout. Large classes, you're going to have to split the groups up in half, all right? And again, give them the caps accordingly. And then just go ahead and if they start on workout 2, they do the couplet. If they start on the couplet, they end with the triplet, all right? Tuesday, burpee. So what this is a 1-to-1 work to rest ratio. We're going to give you 36 intervals, which is only 18 per person. And this is how this workout works. It's 50 burpee to target, 40 burpee box jump over, 30 burpee pull up, 20 burpee 30-inch broad jump, okay? 10 burpees to a plate. And that's just going to be a 10-pound plate so we get standard. And we want that to be fast at the end. So how it's going to work is you're going to work 1 minute, you're going to rest 1 minute. So if you're working on the odd numbers, you'll rest on the even and vice versa, okay? Large classes, you'll split the group up in half. So you only have 9 people working at a time, okay? You guys can have people, they can share boxes if they like. And again, splitting them up into 2 groups is going to give you a lot more space with the burpee pull-up and the burpee to target and all that. The burpee jump, okay? Essentially what you're going to do is when the box is laying 24 inches, okay? That's a 30-inch box when we stand it straight up. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the burpee, and then you're going to jump the length of the box, okay? All right? So what you do is if this is the box right here, you'll do your burpee here, and then you'll jump to the other side. You'll turn around, and you'll jump back, okay? All right, there's no chalk on this workout, all right? The 30 burpee to pull-ups, you don't need chalk for, all right? If you can't do the pull-up, just go to a shorter bar. And you could also do burpee inverted row. That will be a little bit more time consuming, but remember, you are trying to move pretty fast here, so we would prefer a jumping pull-up version. So maybe set one of the bars up, the pull-up bars that can get moved, all right, to make it a little easier for you. And if you are with somebody who's in the same boat, it might be good to partner yourself up with that person, all right, because that's going to go ahead and make it a lot easier for you guys when you switch back and forth, and 2 people can share one of those bars, okay? All right. Wednesday. So Wednesday is week 10 of our thrusters. It's an EMOM for 15 minutes. It's 2 reps every minute on the minute. I would start a little lighter than I did last week, and you're welcome to climb, or you can just go ahead and hit the same weight all the way. You can make a couple of weight changes here. You can make weight changes every 3 sets. That'll be 5 weight changes. Or you can make, weight changes every round if you want. We don't want to fail here. So if you do feel like you're getting to a weight that's going to be too heavy for you, then just go ahead and scale it back. And this is a day that you will do the weights from the floor. You will not pick the bar from the rack on this day. Okay? All right. And we're looking for some heavy doubles. All right? That has a 5-minute break between, and then an AMRAP of 14 minutes. It's a you do, I do. It's 5 wall walk. It's 2 rope climb, and then it's 12-9 on the bike, okay? All right, so on this one, what you're going to go ahead and do is one person is working, the other person is going to pick up where you left off, and you're going to go ahead and do as many rounds as a team or partners as you can. So if I get done with the 3rd wall walk and my partner, What did I do here? Even the coaches mess up sometimes. Oh, this is alternating, okay? All right, so this is an AMRAP where one person does the 5 wall walks, the other person does the 2 rope climb, the other person does the bike, and then the other person does the wall walk, and you flip back and forth, excuse me. All right, that's a 14-minute AMRAP. Only one person is working, all right? That is a triplet, and you will alternate movements, all right? Just like the in-house for all you guys who did in-house, all right? Thursday. Thursday's another long day, okay, all right? We put a big long day in here for you guys, even though the 36 interval on Tuesday is really only 18 working minutes. If you go that far, I don't know how long it's going to take you, but Thursday is a long workout. It's 36 minutes for everybody. You're going to go ahead and do a row or a bike, all right? 1K row, the bike substitution or the bike alternate will be up there. 10 chest to bar pull-ups. 20 single arm dumbbell push press. That's dip and press. So suggestions here is whatever weight you choose. You can pick a weight to do 10 on the right or 10 on the left, or you can go 5, 5, 5, 5, and there's your 20, okay? Then you'll use the same dumbbell to do dumbbell snatch. All right, so I know a lot of times we get into these workouts where, hey, I can do a heavier dumbbell with this arm. I can do a heavier dumbbell with the push press, but the snatch, it's a little heavy for me. Pick the weight you can do for the push press. And the reason why is because there are a lot of rounds you're going to be doing. You're going to do a lot of repetitions here, okay? So we want the dumbbell snatch to be light so it doesn't smoke out your back, all right? That is Thursday. Friday is week 10 on our clean and jerk. Same format as our thruster. 2 clean and jerks every minute on the minute for 15 minutes. You can start, again, maybe somewhere around 75, 80%, okay, or you can climb. Really, you can do whatever you want here, but we want to make sure we have quality reps, all right? And we're not failing. That only has a 2-minute break. So once you're done with your last set, you'll have time remaining on the EMOM. 2 more minutes will go by, and then the coach is going to set the clock up, all right? This is what you're going to do. You're going to deadlift the bar up and do 5 touch and go, clean and jerks. That means you have to clean and jerk for 5 reps. After your 5th rep, you're going to back rack the bar and go right into your 10 back squats, all right? If you are dropping the bar from behind, as soon as you turn around and drop the bar, turn around so it doesn't get away from you and into somebody else, and then you'll do 50 crossovers. If you can't do crossovers, you can scale to 60 double unders or 75 singles, okay? All right. Saturday is going to be really grippy. He's a mean one, Mr. Grip, okay, for all you Grinch fans out there, which I'm a huge fan of, all right? It's an every 4 minute times 8. That's 32 minutes of work. You'll go ahead and do 5 hang power snatches. And again, after that last hang power snatch, you'll keep the bar overhead and go into 5 front squats. You'll then jump up to the rig and do 10 toe to bar or 15 knees to chest. And then you'll pick up 2 dumbbells or 2 kettlebells and you'll hold a 1-minute farmers. If you have enough time if you have any time after the farmers hold, that's your rest. If you don't, you'll hold the farmers for the entire time. This is going to get really grippy. So I do suggest you start with a light weight. And if you do have some time after the farmers, then you can go ahead and make a weight change. That's up to you. But start light, because after that first round, you're going to have the toe to bar and the farmers all on your grip. So picking up that bar is going to be really awkward. So start light. Sunday is Richard's partner workout. It's a 20 RFT. It's a you do, I do. The one person does the entire triplet, 5 pull-ups, 10 double dumbbell push press. We did that earlier last week, and 15 burpees. After I'm done with that, Richard will do that, and we will alternate for 20 rounds, 10 rounds each. Okay? All right, that's our week. Good luck.